Hello, my name is Josh. I'm 25 years old and I play games all day. Sometimes I don't even come out of my room for a week.
Joshua, please come down for dinner.
Why did I have to come down? I can eat from behind my computer as well.
Why do you fancy gaming so much, grandson?
Well, let me tell you, Grandpa. Well, old man, the market for video games has leveled up a lot of times over the last couple of decades, and currently is projected to almost be a 100 billion market in 2016, where this market traditionally was an arcade-based market in the early years, and a PC and console gaming market for people's homes in the last couple of decades. It is now shifting more towards a mobile gaming market, where you can play everywhere you want. Currently the market is divided like this. This is also its progress until 2019. The gaming market is an international market for information goods, so I can meet people from all over the world.
All of this sounds very interesting, Josh. But you never go outside anymore because of those stupid video games.
My mom forced me to go outside and play with other children. Luckily I found out about a new technology, augmented reality. Now I can keep playing games without my mom complaining.
Let me explain what augmented reality is. The basic idea of augmented reality is to superimpose graphics, audio and other sensory enhancements over a real-world environment. Augmented reality applications are written in special 3D programs that allow the developer to link animations in the program to an augmented reality object in the real world. When an augmented reality app of a phone receives digital information from a known object, it begins to execute the object's code and display the correct image. So for example, you can see where there is free Wi-Fi in the neighborhood, or get information of the monument in front of you, just by using your smartphone. Sounds pretty cool.
However, this will cost me a fortune. I don't think my mom will pay for this.
That is where you are wrong, young man. Most augmented reality smartphone games use the freemium business model. This means that the companies give the core product away for free to a large group of users, and sell premium products to a smaller fraction of these users. Freemium is an example of versioning, which is an often used pricing method for information goods. An example is Pokemon Go, which you can play for free. However, if you want to get extra Pokeballs, you will have to pay for them. This is so interactive.
I feel so healthy being outside.
There are so many opportunities for these games. A lot of companies are investing in it.
However, when it's raining, I rather play inside.
In this SWOT analysis, the main strengths, weaknesses, threats, and opportunities are outlined. An example of an augmented reality game is Father.io.
I really liked augmented reality. It has some advantages compared to the traditional gaming. Unfortunately, I cannot go outside anymore now. Maybe there is something available in the gaming market that also has advantages compared to the traditional gaming industry. One of the other guys who I played on the streets with told me something about virtual reality.
Virtual reality is a computer-generated reality presented to our senses in such a way that we experience it as if we're really there. To achieve this creation, all senses need to be stimulated and influenced. This can be done by sound, visibility, but also smell, taste, touch and balance. Virtual reality can be created by special created goggles. And there are also treadmills available, where you can run,
sounds amazing. I would like to have one, but what are the prices?
That is the strong part of VR. You can start with games on your mobile phone that you put in a carton goggle. This only costs $10, and there are free games available. But you can also buy expensive hardware like the treadmills and expensive goggles.
Alright, I will give this a try. I feel sick. What is going on?
Because of the lower quality of this low-entry game, there is a chance of virtual reality sickness.
But then I will have to buy expensive hardware. These prices vary between $400 and $1,000. That is a lot.
Yes, but it gives you an extra dimension for popular games.
Well, since it's so expensive, I will have to compare the two technologies.
When we look at the main differences between augmented reality and virtual reality, we see that virtual reality offers more possibilities and potential.
However, in general, virtual reality is a more expensive technology to develop, and thus more expensive to purchase for consumers.
This is one of the main reasons virtual reality for now will be more focused on hardcore gamers and gaming in large, organized settings.
In addition, virtual reality is used in controlled environments where augmented reality tends to be more focused on outside, uncontrolled environments.
This leaves virtual reality users experiencing problems with motion sickness and other effects of the controlled environment.
Augmented reality, in turn, experiences safety issues due to the uncontrolled nature of the environment.
Both technologies seem to tap into different markets.
Augmented reality seems to be a more applicable technology for the upcoming mobile market, which is very open to the public, broad and accessible.
Virtual reality tends to be a technology with a lot of potential and will probably be more focused on specific segments.
Let me evaluate both technologies. In my opinion, augmented reality will be a game changer in the mobile gaming industry. Augmented reality is easily accessible by the main crowd, because you do not need to buy additional hardware. For this reason, there is a huge potential to reach a big community. For hardcore gamers, virtual reality has more potential. Virtual reality extends the current way of gaming. In this way, the type of games will remain the same. However, with virtual reality, the added value to the games will have a huge impact. In virtual reality, developers create and control the entire environment. It's basically a video game itself. Augmented reality is designed to enhance the things you do as a human being outside, socializing with other people, shopping, playing, having fun. So to conclude, both technologies will have a major impact. It is not possible to say how the gaming industry will look like in 20 years, but it will sure be completely different.